right, today we're gonna bring in some corner shelves. So I brought them out here so I could just make sure I have everything in place before I mount it into the walls. Now these, they give you 4 of them and they're L shape if you guys the cutouts. Now there is no pre-cuts or anything like that in the bottom or pre-holes, so you can actually start mounting them up. You need to actually make sure you balance them out. A recommendation: get some tools. Maybe if you have drywall, you are going to be a screwdriver drill, a power drill, and then these actually mounts for the drywall, and they give you everything you need, including the L's, metal L's, so you can actually mount these up, and they give you instructions step by step how to do it. Only the front, if you guys can see it. How does it look in the bottom? And like I said, they give you a recommendation here: use a electrical drill, like I said, and then balance the thing, make sure it's going to be even. So use a balance tool also to make sure that you get the proper measurement. So we're going to go ahead and set that up and see how that works. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to actually set them up right there in that corner, starting from the bottom all the way up. We're going to put 3 sets, maybe 2 sets, 1, 2 in this corner, and then we're going to use the other corners too. So I'm going to set it up so I can have a couple things up there. All right, we finished with 2 of them, if you guys can see it. So we can balance it out, make sure it's there. I'm gonna put in a couple of things in here, make it look better aesthetics in here. So all right, so we set up the other one in here, and if you guys can see it, we have those stuffed animals. It's perfect for a little girl's room here. So we're gonna set it up with a bunch of toys. She had a bunch of them down there. Now we have them up there. Very simple to install, easy to use. They look lovely. I use the balance also to make sure to level it, and we're good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.